A major financial milestone has just been reached, and the world is watching closely. SpaceX has officially begun trading on the Nasdaq stock exchange, marking one of the largest public offerings in history. The company, founded by Elon Musk, listed under the ticker symbol SPCX. According to reporting from CNBC, SpaceX shares started trading at an opening price around $150 after being priced at $135 per share for the initial public offering. By the end of the first trading day, the stock had climbed significantly, closing at nearly $161. That represents a gain of about 19% from the IPO price. This surge pushed SpaceX's market capitalization to roughly $2.2 trillion. That places the company within striking distance of some of the most valuable corporations on the planet, including Amazon. Trading volume was also extraordinary. Reports indicate that more than 360 million shares changed hands within hours of the debut, a figure 10 times higher than the second largest IPO of the year. So how did we get here? SpaceX, formerly known as Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, was founded by Elon Musk in 2002. Over the years, it has grown from a rocket launching company into a diversified business that includes the Starlink satellite internet network and, more recently, artificial intelligence operations following its merger with Musk's AI venture. Reports suggest the company's revenue for 2026 is expected to fall between $22 and $24 billion, with Starlink contributing the majority of that figure. Industry analysts have been speculating about this IPO for months. Reports from earlier this year suggested SpaceX could be valued anywhere from $1.5 trillion to $1.75 trillion. The actual market response on debut day appears to have exceeded many of those projections. There's also a structural factor adding momentum. MSCI, the index provider, announced that SpaceX would be eligible for early inclusion in its large-cap index products starting today, the first full trading day after listing. Because SpaceX listed with a relatively small public float, funds that track these indexes are now required to purchase shares proportional to their benchmark weightings. This creates an additional wave of demand beyond regular trading activity. A second wave is expected when SpaceX becomes eligible for the Nasdaq 100, which could happen around early July. Investment figures have weighed in as well. Altimeter founder Brad Gerstner, who participated in the IPO, expressed confidence in the company's potential, particularly in artificial intelligence applications. To summarize, SpaceX has completed a historic stock market debut, with shares rising sharply on day one and pushing the company's valuation to roughly $2.2 trillion. Strong investor demand, record trading volume, and upcoming index inclusions suggest continued market attention in the days ahead. As always, we'll continue monitoring developments and bring you updates as this story evolves.